Aloha and welcome to my little presentation. My name is Elisani Finau and I will talk about the royal genealogy of the Hawaiian story or the Hawaiian journey. So this is Queen Okalani's family or royal her genealogy. And so I just find like a little bit of it and then I would like to share with you guys. Okay, let's continue. Okay, before that, here's a little bibliography of Queen Liliuokalani. She was born in September 2nd, 1838, and her full name was Lydia Liliu Loloku Walania Wewehi Kamea Eha. Her biological parents was Kaisa Kapai Kai and Analea Keohokalole, and after she was born, she was adopted by another high chief in Hawaii. His name was Chief Apnabaki and also Laura Gonia. And later on, she married to John Owen Tominus, and she was crowned as a princess in 1877. And then in 1891, she became the Queen of Hawaii on January 29. And that was just right after her brother died. I think Devita was his name. So after he died, she was crowned to be the Queen of Hawaii. Oh, so I found this genealogy of Queen Liliuokalani, both her mom's side and also of her dad's side. This was before she was born, but this is like a little detail of her family, and I like especially like her mom and her dad before they get married and have Queen Liliuokalani. So on this side right here is her mom's genealogy, and on your right hand side is his father's genealogy. So this one is more a little bit detailed. It's talk about his great grandfather and great grandmothers on her mom's side, and also the dad's side as well. Yes, but you can look more detail into it if you want to see the detail of her mom and her dad's genealogy. But on the next page, this is a updated genealogy of Queen Liliuokalani that I found on internet, which talk more about, I like this one because it kind of shows her siblings in it. So this was her brother David Kalakaua. After he passed away in 1891, then that's the time Liliuokalani or Lydia was crowned to be the Queen of Hawaii. So Queen Liliuokalani have other siblings as well. So he had 4 brothers, which were James, David, Kaimina Nauau, and William, and also sisters, and also 2 of her sisters was Anna and also Miriam. And in the story, we will talk about later in the story how we'll talk about Victoria, her niece, when she passed away. The Lydia and also Miriam went to her funeral later on in the story of the Hawaii's journey. But yeah, so this is like an updated genealogy of Queen Liliuokalani that I found, which is pretty cool. And mahalo.